Hello Steno candidates, I am Ravina. Welcome to your own YouTube channel Lotus Steno Legal Matters. I am going to dictate you Steno Legal Matters. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
As would be plain from the dictum of the letters patent bench, section 9 was specifically held to be inoperative in cases where title had passed to the transferee stop. It remained applicable so long as the title had not passed to the transferee and part of the consideration was still due stop. In that case, proceedings could be undertaken simultaneously under sections 8 and 9 stop. But the letters patent bench cautioned stop that the state officer would not take proceedings under section 9 necessarily when he could recover the proceedings sale consideration by proceedings under section 8 stop, and in case of abuse of power or malified exercise, this court's jurisdiction to rectify the mischief was asserted stop. In that view, section 9 was held to be intra-virus stop. The Supreme Court, however, on appeal in Jagdish Chand Radhe Shyam versus State of Punjab AIR 1972 SC 2587 reversed the view of the letters patent bench with regard to the deferred ownership aspect on the plain reading of section 3 of the Act. Stop. Next para. Section 3 totally repeals the conclusion arrived by the High Court that the government remains the owner until the entire consideration money is paid. Stop. A charge is created for the unpaid portion of the consideration money. Stop. The prohibition against sale, mortgage or transfer by the transferee except with the previous permission of the state officer of any right, title or interest in the site or building establishes the ownership and rights of the transferee. Stop. If the government were the owner, it could not be said that the transferee could sell, mortgage or transfer any right, title or interest. Stop. The statute speaks of payment of consideration money by sale to the transferee. Stop. The government cannot after sale remain the owner. Stop. The statute forbids such construction. Stop. If the government is the owner, the government cannot at the same time be entitled to a charge on the property for the balance of the consideration money. Stop. A charge on a property is under the Transfer of Property Act enforced by instituting a suit and bringing the property to sale. Stop. If the property yields a higher price than what the charge represents, the owner is entitled to the excess sum. Stop. Under the ordinary law of the land, it is open to the government to enforce the charge and to recover the due on consideration money, installments or any other due from the transferee. Stop. It is also open to the government under section 8 of the Act to proceed against the transferee to realize the amount due on consideration money or on installment or any other due as an area of land revenue.